Hey there, welcome to the Gourmet Code. Today we will be teaching you how to make popcorn. Popcorn is a classic snack that's perfect for movie nights, game nights, or anytime you want a tasty treat. In this video, we'll show you how to make popcorn from scratch using just a few simple ingredients. So let's get started. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. To make popcorn, you'll need the following ingredients. 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels. 2 tablespoons of oil, such as vegetable or coconut oil. Salt or any other seasoning of your choice, optional. Step 2. Heat the oil. Add the oil to a large pot with a lid. Heat the pot over medium-high heat for a few minutes until the oil is hot. Step 3. Add the popcorn kernels. Next, add the popcorn kernels to the pot. Make sure the kernels are evenly distributed across the bottom of the pot. Step 4. Cover the pot and shake. Now, cover the pot with the lid and shake it gently back and forth over the heat. This will help prevent the kernels from burning and ensure that they pop evenly. Step 5. Listen for the popping sound. As the popcorn begins to heat up and pop, you'll hear a distinctive popping sound. Keep shaking the pot gently until the popping slows down and eventually stops. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Step 6. Season your popcorn. Once the popping stops, remove the pot from the heat and carefully remove the lid. Your popcorn should be fluffy and fully popped. Now it's time to season your popcorn with salt or any other seasoning of your choice. You can also add melted butter or other toppings if you like. Step 7. Enjoy. Congratulations, you've successfully made your own popcorn from scratch. Pour it into a bowl and enjoy your delicious homemade snack. Whether you're watching a movie, hanging out with friends, or just enjoying a lazy afternoon, popcorn is the perfect snack to satisfy your cravings. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy this recipe and give it a try at home. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.